Can you repeat that?
I do not give you consent to videotape me in public.
Oh,
I'm in public right now.
you think? It's been what, like 9 months since I pulled this fucking motor out. This is the blowing up Olds 350 diesel there. Might as well finally tear this piece of shit apart. See what the fuck's wrong with it. I'm calling cracked head or somehow crack between cylinders, but I really think it's cracked head. What do you think?
I hope the piston is just exploded inside there.
I mean, it very well could have been.
Yeah, I hope it's got valves all over.
Valves all over. So yeah, let's unbury this thing because it's just become a junk drawer basically for the garage. You got Jeep headlight and some other bullshit on there. Let's unbury it, get it on this fucking sketchy piece of fucking 90s trash from Harbor Freight and see how bad this one falls off. Oh, let's see how many times I smashed my head off this. You just put all the old parts on the old engine and you won't lose them, right?
Yeah, I put some
Yeah, little guy.
put the pipe dope in there before I put that
Oh,
bolt
okay.
in there. I'm a plumber by trade, so
Oh, did you do the juice trick? Just wrap a zip tie around
put
it.
a zip tie in first.
Yeah.
It was after it ripped out and fell off the wall. I didn't try that trick.
I ain't made another hole.
Dude, I need another
I'm already
zip tie.
5 holes deep. I
More
haven't
zip
done
ties.
yet.
That's bandage right there.
Get over here, you. Take my old diesel for a walk.
Do I sense a throw that? Do it.
This thing would be so fucking much of a bitch to try to get started. Require all the ether in the world.
They make it every day.
If it does have a bad block, I mean, you know, stuff and things might happen. It ain't going anywhere.
Totally fine. Blue.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see the first item up for bids today.
It's a clapped out Olds 350 diesel, Bob.
Woo! Take your engine for a walk late at night. The neighbors will appreciate it.
Oh, yeah. Especially when it dumps over. And I just leave it there.
Yeah. You want me to hang off of it?
Yes.
Like how we used to
Add
do it?
even more weight to it, please. Yeah, you know, all set up here, about to start ripping and tearing, but, could it be? Holy f***. It is. The tale of the majestic Jew. He returns. Hey, buddy.
Hi. Why is it so clean in here? What happened?
Yeah, what happened? I don't know.
Yeah. So I straight piped my car.
Again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I cut the resonator out and then I just put a piece of pipe in and I made a little downspout and it is way too loud. It's louder than race cars.
Oh.
It's good.
So you're saying it's New York, New York, absolutely. So we're just gonna take off the injector line isolators. Someone's gonna take off the injector lines down here. Take the injection pump out of the way, and in a couple minutes we'll be down to the problem.
Is it moving?
Oh, he's
A
got
little
his loose.
No, it's the whole glow plug that's moving.
Yeah, you're probably gonna need another wrench down there.
Need a wrench on there.
Ooh, so all the injection lines are off, it looks like.
Yeah, that's no problem.
Can score.
Yeah, these
Now
things-
it's time for the asshole bolts.
Yeah. Yeah, dude. These are
See,
impossible.
the
What are you gonna
6.2,
do?
6.5s. Oh no, the 6.5s only. They put the 12 points in. Yeah. They at least learned from this. The 4.3 diesel, it's simple. There's only 2 bolts and there's way more room. Not here. Again, kind of clean sheet design. Definitely not. And then the configurated throttle linkage. Woo!
Out of here.
Get the fuck out of here.
So, I don't remember draining the oil. There's no oil. And I definitely don't remember draining the block, but hardly any coolant came out. So, did it just consume it all? I don't know. The mystery of the Olds engine. So we're gonna spend a half hour getting the injection pump off, and then spend 5 minutes and the heads will be off. Woo, he moved it.
They're not very tight.
They're not very tight. Well, yeah. You blame Ryan. He's just like, oh, tight enough. I've been here for 5 hours doing these.
I'm actually to the point. I might just try a screwdriver.
Oh, advancing and retarding the timing of my vacuum pump. Oh no. Yeah. Yeah, come here, you. Come here, you. What the f is that? That just went flying off the end.
The screwdriver's working.
Well,
that went down there.
Do you see this?
What do you got there?
This came flying out when I took the vacuum pump out, and it was totally, it's roundish, and it was totally inside.
Yeah, that's some ancient
I think this is missing an O-ring, too. You need to join the club here.
No.
Oh, yes. And that's
One
just
of
Ash
us.
from Brett's hand.
One of us.
You poke the balls and rips them off. I'm like, oh, I've done that a bunch, too.
One of us.
Yeah, you do.
One
One of us.
One of us. You need to eat the black parts. Become
There you
one
go.
of us. Yeah. Well, we're like,
So funky in here. 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 This is not worrisome. Oh, here, let's have hardware inside the intake. So when you put it in here, it's very good chance of dropping it in. With washers that are loose from the hardware. Not, you know, the captive washers or anything. China! I mean, so far, it's still looking alright, fellas. So far. So, my bet's still on cracked head. What's your bet? Still hoping for a piston?
yeah, piston.
Oh, what are you thinking here, like?
I don't know, maybe something cool like a... Well, what was it doing? It was totally dead?
Yeah, it sounded like 6 cylinders maybe running, and it was putting exhaust up through the intake.
It'd be cool if it was like a cracked crank or something. You know?
It sounded very funny turning over. It's all I'll tell you. Still got it.
Still got it.
But there was like 3 or 4 of these were like torqued to like the ends of the earth.
million.
Yeah. So I'm pretty sure he put the rocker arm back in that was bad too. Oh, it's this one.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Dude, look at the wear on that side of it.
Wow.
Here's folks, this is what's wrong. And yeah, that's not supposed to look like that. It's supposed to look like this, nice and smooth, not a huge indent. Yeah, he put this back together as is, if I remember right.
So knowingly?
Yes.
Okay, so 1 is extremely tight.
Okay.
Go back to that one and send it to the.
That's very interesting. And then that one wasn't even tight, dude.
Wow.
It just had to relieve the pressure with this one, apparently.
Yeah.
Yeah, this guy here. That one I put in at his house because he had a bolt there, but I needed a stud for the ground. I expect that one, but that was tighter than this one was.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
I did this with a 3/8 ratchet and a calibrated elbow, going, yeah, I can't go anymore, or else I'm gonna break it. My elbow, that is.
Yeah, but Welsh torqued it.
Yeah, he torqued the fuck out of some of them. See, if you average him out, he nailed it. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Did he silicone the head gasket?
Copper spray. Diesel guys use it, like Cummins guys. This is the heat ring.
Yeah, that's the heat.
That's the heat ring. That's the fire ring from the head gasket and it's stuck in the exhaust.
Wow.
It is stuck in the exhaust valve, dude. What the?
Yeah, dude, that's totally burned out over here. Dude, that's awesome.
Well, yeah, there's the 2 cylinders that weren't working for sure, but there might be more over here, folks. So stay tuned.
Beautiful.
That is very impressive. Mutilated, like
It's gone.
Like, yeah, there's like scarring from like the blowtorch effect, basically.
Uh-huh.
I can catch my fingernail on it. And yeah. Oh, the ring ridge ain't as bad as he thought it was. That's actually not that bad on this side. This side might be a different, you know.
This is the one with the bad valve, too.
Yeah, this is the bad valve one, so.
Let's just get this shit out.
Oh yeah, it was blowing out that one there too. Just start.
Yeah, same thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this cylinder for sure, because this is rusting in it from water.
Oh wow. Yeah.
See, I called it. I thought it was running on 5 or 6 cylinders, and it was for sure. It's black. It ain't the 20 thou ring ridge that you described. Most of that's soot more than anything.
Yeah.
No real destruction.
Oh, look at that fucking coolant port.
Blocked. That's all right.
I mean, it's not as bad as Brian descripted it. Descripted it? That's a fucking word now. Dude, there's a little cross hatching there, but it disappears right there.
Yeah, it's kind of. There's like
Dude,
portions.
Come over
No,
and
it's
look
over
at
here too. It's like there, but it's not there.
Cross hatching nice, disappears,
Yummy.
and then cross hatching again.
Yeah.
It's where the piston skirts are fucking rubbing the cylinders.
Yeah, they're doing their job.
Dude, it's on every one of them. There's cross hatching, and then it disappears and comes back. I have never.
That's how it's supposed to.
Yeah, that's exactly how that works.
Well, fellas, this motor's not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Lower your standards. You'll never be disappointed.
Yep, lower your standards until they beat the car's reality.
Definitely scorching the piston down there.
Ooh. Yeah, part of that fire ring ended up in the piston at one point.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it needs a piston. It needs everything. It needs everything.
Just grind them all down like that.
Yeah. Oh, fucking bullshit. Fucking winter's finally here. Poor fucking Buick. I'll get to you soon. Well, there you go, douchebags, derelicts. That's the story of this fucking thing right here. I'm still pretty impressed with the failure of this thing. I've never seen a fire ring get stuck, you know, in a cylinder head before. That's still one of the best failures I've seen. So, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I want to shout out the new Patreons here since last week's video. We got 3 of them: Sergeant Wiggles, Matt K, and Brandon H. Groomley. Groomley? I don't know. Sorry, bud. I appreciate you guys. Appreciate the fuck out of you. And I got one other mention here. Old Pagan Lagging there. The guy's a fucking asshole. Heart of gold, and decided to go $50 a month. So I gotta shout you out, man. Why? I don't know, but I fucking appreciate it, bud. And that brings me to my next point. A lot of you guys are asking when me and Peg are gonna do another video. Well, obviously, him living 36, 40 hours away from me and crossing it into a different country takes fucking money. No matter if I drive a Honda Civic up there or a fucking 18-wheeler, it's gonna take money. Everything that I collect off of Patreon is going into a savings just to fund this trip. We don't know what we're doing yet. We're talking about it. We got many different fucking options to do here. I don't know when the trip will be. I don't know if it's going to be towards the end of winter, summer. Don't know yet. But yeah, this is what the money's going for. So again, fellas, I appreciate the fuck out of it. On that note, guys, I'll try to catch you next week with another video. Until then, don't put your hands any place you want to put your dick.